Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some important multiple choice questions based on the dramatic types, and those are tragedy and comedy. But friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, we know it very well that the dramatic beauty flowered in England during the period of Renaissance, and this span of literature produced the most distinguished names like William Shakespeare, then we have Marlowe, then we have Johnson, Ben Jonson, and so on in the history of drama. But friends, as far as our today's video is concerned, we are going to explore some important multiple choice questions based on these two crucial dramatic types, and those are tragedy and comedy. And I am sure friends, the multiple choice questions that we are going to explore today in this video will talk about the definitions, features, exponents, and some other important threads of tragedy and comedy, and it will be very much helpful from different examinations, perspectives, or point of views. So friends, without delay, let us move and see around 50 important multiple choice questions based on tragedy and comedy. So let us move towards the first question. We have the first question. What is drama? Options are trouble caused by people, the written words and direction for actor or actress to follow, the characters that perform in the play, a story which is written to be performed or acted. Correct answer is D, and it is a story which is written to be performed or acted. Second question, we have a person who tells the story often speaks in third person is called dash. Options are A, actor, B, speaker, C, narrator, and D, dialogue. The correct answer is C, and such person is called as a narrator. The next third question, we have dash are the people acting in play. Options are director, cast of characters, narrator, and protagonist. The correct answer is B, and it is cast of characters. Question 4, we have the person who writes the play is called dash. Options are A, author, B, director, C, speaker, and D, playwright. Correct answer is D, and it is called as a playwright. Question 5, we have the play or drama is organized in dash. Options are chapters, acts and scenes, episodes, pages, and numbers. Correct answer is B, and it is acts and scenes. Question 6, we have the main character in the drama is called as dash. Options are protagonist, antagonist, extra, poor girl, or hero. Correct answer is A, and it is called as protagonist. The next question, we have question number 7, the character against the protagonist in drama is called as dash. Options are villain, bad guy, antagonist, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is antagonist. Question number 8, we have acts divided into smaller sections are called as dash. Options are scene, act, script, and the last D, excerpt. Correct answer is A, and it is scene. Question number 9, we have a form of drama in which the events lead to the downfall of the main character or protagonist is called as dash. Options are comedy, tragedy, romance, fantasy. Correct answer is B, and it is tragedy. Question number 10, we have how drama is different from other kinds of fiction. Options are A, drama can have only one setting, other kinds of fiction can have many settings. B, drama has a plot, other kind of fiction use monologues instead of plots. C, drama has more characters than other kinds of fiction. D, drama is written to be performed by actors for an audience. The correct answer is D, and it is drama is written to be performed by actors for an audience. Question number 11, we have what is the difference between dialogue and monologue? Options are A, dialogue is conversation between two or more characters. In a monologue, one character speaks alone. B, monologue is conversation between two characters, whereas dialogue is conversation between three or more characters. C, dialogue is conversation between two or more characters, whereas monologues appear in only novels. And D, dialogue is conversation between only two characters, whereas in monologue, one character speaks alone. The correct answer is A, and it is dialogue is conversation between two or more characters, whereas in a monologue, one character speaks alone. Question number 12 we have, when a character struggles with himself and chooses to avoid the threat is called as dash. Options are internal conflict, external conflict, rising action, and last, irony. Correct answer is A, and it is an internal conflict. The next question number 13 we have, the character must struggle with someone else and cannot avoid the situation and must stay and face the threat is called dash. Options are A, exposition, B, climax, C, external conflict, and D, internal conflict. Correct answer is C, and it is called as external conflict. The next question we have, question number 14. Everyone, a famous play of 15th century was a dash. Options are A, morality play, B, mystery play, C, miracle play, and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and it is morality play. Question number 15 we have, an epilogue in a play appears dash. Options are A, in the beginning of the play, B, at the end of the play, C, at the end of the third act, and D, at any stage of the play. Correct answer is B, and it is at the end of the play. Question number 16 we have, how many dramatic unities were recommended by Greeks? Options are 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is of course C, and it is 3 unities. Question number 17 we have, dash is supposed to be the first regular comedy in English. Options are A, Jocasta, B, The English Traveller, C, Royster Doyster, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is Royster Doyster. The next question we have, question number 18. In which play the cascade scene occurs? Options are A, Twelfth Night, B, The Merchant of Venice, C, The Winter's Tale, and D, The Tempest. Correct answer is B, and it is The Merchant of Venice. Question number 19 we have, life is a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury. These lines appear in dash. Options are A, Julius Caesar, B, Hamlet, C, Macbeth, and D, Richard II. Correct answer is C, and it is Macbeth. Question number 20 we have, in which literary period the poetic plays become popular? Options are A, in the Elizabethan and Caroline age, B, in the Augustan and Restoration age, C, in the Romantic and Victorian age, and D, in modern age. Correct answer is C, and it is in the Romantic and Victorian age. Question number 21 we have, in Greek theatre, the story moves in a sequential order. It is called as dash. Options are A, unity of time, B, unity of action, C, unity of space, and D, unity of plot. The correct answer is B, and it is called as the unity of action. The next question number 22 we have, the language of world drama is reformed by dash. Options are George Bernard Shaw, B, Albert Camus, C, Mohan Rakesh, and D, William Shakespeare. Correct answer is A, and it is George Bernard Shaw. Question number 23 we have, select the correct order. Options are A, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, Hamlet, King Lear, B, Othello, King Lear, Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet, C, Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, King Lear, and D, King Lear, Othello, Hamlet, and Romeo and Juliet. The correct answer is A, and it is Romeo and Juliet, Othello, Hamlet, and King Lear. Question number 24 we have, put the correct sequence according to their appearance. Options are A, surrealism, realism, naturalism, expressionism, B, realism, naturalism, expressionism, surrealism, C, naturalism, realism, surrealism, and expressionism, and D, expressionism, surrealism, realism, and naturalism. The correct answer is C, and it is naturalism, realism, surrealism, and expressionism. Question number 25 we have, name a thing that Shakespeare uses in his comedies. Options are A, happy families, B, more focus on characters than situations, C, mischievous or clever servants, and D, straightforward relationship. Correct answer is C, and it is mischievous or clever servants. Question number 26 we have, what is a thing Shakespeare uses in his tragedies? Options are A, play based on human sufferings, B, not very dramatic, C, begins where a noble hero is sad, and D, ends happily. Correct answer is A, and it is play based on human sufferings. Question number 27 we have, how does comedy differ from tragedy? Options are A, there is much humor and high spirit in comedy, while in tragedy the conflict is very serious. B, comedy is very scary and sad, and tragedy is fun and happy. C, tragedy is closer relationship of everyday life, and D, comedy is external conflict. Correct answer is A, and it is, there is much humor and high spirit in comedy, while in tragedy the conflict is very serious. Question number 28 we have, Shakespeare's comedies emphasis which of the following? Options are A, character, B, situation, C, setting, and D, theme. Correct answer is B, and it is situation. Question number 19 we have, all heroes in Shakespeare's tragedies dash. Options are A, are morally strong, B, disguise, resolve their situations, and D, have a fatal flaw. Correct answer is D, and it is have a fatal flaw. Question number 30 we have, all heroes in comedies dash. Options are A, are morally strong, B, disguise, C, resolve their situations, and D, have a fatal flaw. Correct answer is C, and it is resolve their situations. Question number 31 we have, comedies have dash. Options are A, climax with an unexpected twist, B, a pastoral element, C, witty banter, and D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, and it is all of the above. Question number 32 we have, separation and reunification were aspects of Shakespeare's dash. Options are A, historical play, B, tragedies, C, comedies, and D, sonnets. Correct answer is C, and it is comedies. Question number 33 we have, which kind of humor can be found in Shakespeare's comedies? Options are A, slapstick, B, puns, C, witty banter, and D, all of the above. Correct answer is D, and it is all of the above. Question number 34 we have, pathetic fallacy is dash. Options are A, when characters are being stupid and untruthful, B, when the characters are in disguise, C, when it is stormy in the story, and D, when change is reflected by changes in the environment. Correct answer is D, and it is when change is reflected by changes in the environment. Question number 35 we have, the form of drama that seems to send the most conflicting messages through mood, tone, etc. is dash. Options are A, farce, B, melodrama, C, tragicomedy, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is called as tragicomedy. Question 36 we have, the most common form of drama which is being presented on television and in movies today is dash. Options are A, comedy, B, tragedy, C, melodrama, and D, absurdism. Correct answer is C, and it is melodrama. Question number 37 we have, after 1660 the drama in England called dash. Options are A, the Puritan drama, B, the Elizabethan drama, C, the Restoration drama, and D, the modern drama. Correct answer is C, and it is called as the Restoration drama. The next question we have, question number 38, the most popular form of drama during the Restoration period was dash. Options are comedy of manners, satire, comedy of errors, and D, tragedy. The correct answer is A, and it is comedy of manners. Question 39 we have, the most gifted among all the Restoration dramatists was dash. Options are A, Shakespeare, B, Congreve, C, Johnson, and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is William Congreve. Question number 40 we have, the chief protagonist and writer of heroic tragedy was dash. Options are A, Dryden, B, Johnson, C, Norton, and D, Shakespeare. The correct answer is A, and it is Dryden. Question number 41 we have, farce is an exaggerated form of dash. Options are A, tragedy, B, comedy, C, tragicomedy, and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is comedy. Question number 42 we have, broadly tragedy has assumed only dash form or forms. Options are A1, B2, C3, and D4. Correct answer is B, and it is 2. Question number 43 we have, tragedy has two forms, and those are, options are A, classical and romantic, B, social and political, C, romantic and social, and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and it is classical and romantic. The next question we have, question number 44, the play All for Love was written by dash. Options are Shakespeare, Congreve, Milton, and Dryden. The correct answer is D, and it was written by Dryden. Question number 45 we have, the second period of Elizabethan drama was dominated by dash. Options are A, Shakespeare, B, University wits, C, Ben Jonson, and D, Marlowe. Correct answer is B, and it is University wits. Question number 46 we have, dash was the central son among the University wits. Options are A, John Lilly, B, Robert Greene, C, Christopher Marlowe, and D, all of the above. Correct answer is C, and it is Christopher Marlowe. Question number 47, we have the first work of Thomas Kidd in English literature translated in many European languages was dash. Options are A. David and Bathsheba, B. Spanish tragedy, C. Sappho and Pau, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and it is Spanish tragedy. Question number 48, we have dash ridiculed Shakespeare by saying that he knew small Latin and less Greek. Options are A. Spencer, B. Ben Jonson, C. Marlowe, and D. Sidney. Correct answer is B, and it is Ben Jonson. Question number 49, we have William Shakespeare died on dash. Options are 23rd April 1616, 16 April 1616, 21st April 1616, and 22nd April 1616. The correct answer is A, and he died on 23rd April 1616. The last question we have, question number 50. Dramatic entertainment in which plot, character, and even to a great extent dialogues are subordinated on the one hand to spectacular, to illustration, and on the other hand to musical accompaniment is the definition of dash. Options are A. Melodrama, B. Mask, C. Farce, and D. None of these. The correct answer is B, and it is Mask. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on the two dramatic types, and those are tragedy and comedy. I hope friends you have liked all these multiple choice questions discussed in this video, in this presentation, and if you have really liked it friends, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet you again with a different video on different content. So friends, till then, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.